everyone, welcome to our speaking test today. Now let's begin. What's your name?
My name is Mary.
Okay, Mary, so what fruit do you like?
I like strawberry.
I like.
Strawberry.
Alright. Do you have any muffins in your fridge?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Now look at the pictures and find the differences.
In the picture A, the monster are three.
He's sweet.
He has three legs. But in the picture B, the monster there are four legs. In the picture A, the scarf is
It is the coat.
the coat are red,
The coat is red.
but in the picture B, the coat is yellow.
Okay.
In the picture A, the bird is on the bench, but in the picture B, the cat is on the bench.
Okay.
In the picture A, the boy is hamburger.
He's eating.
He is eating hamburger. But in the picture B, the boy is eating popcorns.
Fries.
Right.
Okay. Anything else?
In the picture A, the weather is cloudy, but in the picture B, the weather is sunny.
Very good. Okay. So now let's talk about what you have and don't have in the kitchen. Let's go.
I have 8, and I have strawberry. Milk, butter.
So what don't you have in the kitchen?
I don't have chicken.
Yeah.
Onions and oil.
Okay. So what can you cook in the kitchen?
I can cook omelette.
Omelets. Good. Okay, so that is the end of our speaking test, and thank you for listening. Bye bye.